how to change templates in Wix. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change templates in Wix in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now before getting into this, there is no straight way per se on the free plan to change your template while you are already editing your website. Like let's say you just chose a template, started editing your website, and you're on the free plan. There is no way that you can revert that. You will surely have to basically create a new website from there on out. But what you can do, if the website is really dear to you, what you can do is you can just, as they say, buy your premium plan and then just transfer that site to the premium plan. And on the premium plan, you can change your template as you go. So you can't do it on the free plan, but you can do it on the premium plan. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to change your template between making your site. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today. If you found that video helpful, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.